Welcome. In front of me is HP Stream 14, and in this video I will show you how to enable Bluetooth on this laptop. To do that, click on the three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen on the status bar, and then to enable your Bluetooth, if it's colored white, this icon, click on it and wait until the color changes to blue. That means that your Bluetooth is enabled. Now, to connect a Bluetooth device, you have to click on the arrow icon next to the Bluetooth icon and select the device that you want to connect to. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.